Hi and Assalamualaikum to my fellow lecturers and friends. It's good to see you guys back. So before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself again. My name is Najlaa BINTI SURAIDI and I'm from semester 5. Today, I'm going to continue on next lab exercise 2 on how to working with spatial data. Before I start my presentation, just like my previous presentation, there are two sections that I will briefly explain to you. In section A, I will briefly explain what is spatial data, while in section B, I will select a few tutorials that I'm going to do with you. So, what is spatial data? Any sort of data that directly or indirectly refer to a specific geographical area or location is referred to as a spatial data. Spatial data, also known as geospatial data or geographic information, is a numerical representation of physical items in a geographic coordinate system. Geographical data, on the other hand, is much more than a map spatial component. Because geographical data can contain more than just location-specific information, user can save it in a variety of forms. This data can be analyzed to learn more about how each variable affects people, group, and populations. In this lab exercise, we will learn about vector and raster. Geospatial data is commonly stored in vector and raster forms. So, we're moving on to section B. First of all, we will proceed to tutorials 5.5 on how to add a CAD drawing file into ArcMap. When viewed in Catalog, a CAD dataset appears with a light blue icon. In a new blank map, click Add Data button, browse through the data and search for CMU Campus folder. Click the Campus Map Drawing icon and then click Add and click OK to the spatial warning message. Next, turn off all the layers except Campus Map Drawing polygon. Then, the campus layer will appear. On the next recorded video, we will learn to add base map layer in ArcMap. Based on tutorial 5.6, add a base map layer. Then, we browse to the data folder and click Chicago. And add this name file to the map. Symbolize the county subdivision layer with a hollow field and a yellow outline with and follow the next step. Next, wait for the map to appear. It may take some time to add in the ArcMap. Lastly, you can zoom to an area in Chicago near Lake Michigan and Millennium Park. Next, we will learn to add and move vertex as in tutorial 7.1. See, here's the step that we need to follow. Firstly, double-click inside the polygon, grab handles appear on the polygon, and the small Edit Vertices toolbar appears. On the Edit Vertices toolbar, click Add Vertex button, move the mouse along the y street between the two existing vertices and click. This adds a new vertex at the locations of the cursor. Now, you can move the new vertex to change the polygon shape. Last, position the cursor over the new vertex and then drag the vertex to the intersections of Wiley and Erin streets. Last example, I want to show you on how we can trace tools as to create new segments that follow the shapes of other features. On the Editor toolbar, click Start Editing and search for Campus Study Area. Then click the Create Features button and click Campus Study Area from the Create Features panel and Polygon from the Construction panel. Next step, on the Editor toolbar, click the Trace button and click the intersections of boundary and forbis and drag your mouse to the right. Move the cursor to the intersections of forbis and morewood. Lastly, when you are close to the beginning of intersection, boundary and forbis, and then you finish. In a nutshell, on this lab exercise 2, we can learn through analyzing data and users can save spatial data in a variety of different formats. as it also contains more than location-specific data. Besides, GIS is a field that covers much more than digital mapping and cartography, spatial analysis, remote sensing, and geovisual, and only a few of the categories. Thank you.